Hi guys, my name is Prashant. Basically I belongs to a small town called Dharashu, but currently I am staying in Pune for my educational purpose. So talking about my education, I completed my graduation in the field of civil engineering from Savitribai Phule Pune University and Srinagar Academy of Engineering with a 7.53 CGPA. Then after, because it's my dream to be a software related to pursue my career in a software related field, so that's why I joined the Qspider. So here I learn lots of skills regarding the software testing, like manual testing, automation testing, tools like a Jira, Firefly. So talking more in detail about the skills, so the support of the trainers, it really helped me to pursue my dream, and I think that there are multiple things and multiple advantages to joining Qspider. It's nothing but the team is very supportive, and we can also learn a lot of things. We can also learn a lot of technical tools like Jira and Selenium and Firefly. So those are all things that help me to got a job. That's all about me. Thank you.